Scotty Mike here. So we have the popular deluxe air mattress from Intex just delivered. So Amazon got a little bit lazy and put it in this regular box. So you can see here a little bit of damage. They put the label right on this box. So hopefully the product isn't damaged, but we're gonna do an unboxing and then see how quick it takes to set this up. So it has 2-layer comfort tops, horizontal support beams, top and bottom edge support, 600 pounds max capacity, and then 1-year limited warranty. So those are some of the features. Right. So we have a little travel case here that it comes with for storage. And then here it is right out of the box. So this does have the internal air pump. So we can inflate it and deflate it right from this thing. So here's a little switch to turn it off and on. So we're gonna go ahead and see how long this takes to inflate and then also deflate. So on the little inflator section here, you just open this up. Right, and then here is the plug you can use when you want to inflate it. You just gotta plug this in. All right, so it is plugged in. We'll go ahead and turn it on and switch this to inflate. There it goes. So here we are on the bed now. Took a little bit under 5 minutes to fill this thing up with air, which is what they would advertise. So that's good, and it's holding us pretty well. Feels pretty sturdy. So pretty good so far. Now we're gonna go ahead and see how long it takes to deflate and then put it back into the little carry-on bag that it comes with. So here we go. So it is deflated at this point. It took a little bit longer than expected. It took about 8 minutes. So, and I stepped on a little bit, try to hurry it up. So you would think it would deflate faster, but apparently not. But anyways, it's pretty nice for the price. And then now we can package it up and then put it in storage and use it only when it's needed. So that's pretty good. And here it is packed up and ready to go. So overall, pretty easy, simple process. It doesn't take too long. And this is the queen size one, and it's 22 inches. Thanks for watching. I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.